Hi guys, my name is Calvin from Raw Coding, and today I'll be introducing the basics of Wix. The first thing you want to do is create an account, so press sign in at the top right. If you're new to Wix, press sign up. So my email is rawcodinguk@gmail.com. Create a password and press sign up. So you can skip these questions. So now it will take you to the point where you can choose your own template. So press choose your own template on the right. So after selecting that option, you'll be faced with a bunch of preset templates that you can choose from. You can actually choose a completely blank template where you can add everything yourself. But what we'll be doing today is just choosing a predefined template, just to explain, the key tools and the key elements that you'll be using when designing your website with Wix. So I'm just going to choose a random template over here, press edit, and this will take you into the Wix Editor. So in the Wix Editor, you can basically use Wix's tools to design the website just how you want it to look. So the first thing we want to be able to do is navigate around the website that we have. So if you go to the top left on page, click on the drop down, and over here you can see the different pages on the website. So let's click on about, and it will take you into the about page. In every page you can select the elements, change the writing, and basically add features to the page just how you would like your website to look. You'll be able to choose between a desktop view and a mobile view. So when you click on the mobile view, this is basically how it will look for people on their phones. The layout of this website has already been adapted for mobile phones. Under normal circumstances, when you create a blank template, you will need to drag everything and make it look good for the mobile. So let's just switch back to desktop view. Over here, once you've changed your website, on the top right, you can click on save. This will save your progress, and if you want to see what your website will look like to other users, you can preview it before publishing it online. So you can click on preview and it will give you a view on what it will look like to the normal user. Then to go back, you just press back to editor and let's select the home page. So we're back to the home page now. The third button from the top, called add with a little plus sign, and you'll be able to add text, images, you can add a gallery, you can add buttons which lead to other web pages and other pages on your website. You can create videos on your website and a variety of other tools and features to make it look like yours. Wix also has a variety of images that are free to use if you use a Wix website. These are great because they're high quality and there's something for everyone. So if you want to save this website or save a website that you've started, press save and then call the website whatever you would like to call it. I'm just going to call this website test and save and continue. And it just tells you that your site was saved. So if you go back onto the Wix templates and you press on my sites now, it will take you to your dashboard and show you the sites that you have. So this is the current site that we've been editing and we've been working on. And to go back into it, press site actions and then edit site. And it will take you back in. In my next few videos, I'll be showing you all the features about Wix, how to add various elements such as text and images and videos, and how to customize them all to make them look fantastic. If you would like to join Wix, please click on the link below in the description and it will take you directly to the Wix website. It will help me out a lot. And if you can please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, that would be great as well. Thank you very much, I appreciate it.